Hey guys, and welcome to Minikun Tutorials. I hope you are doing well. So in today's simple tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send a YouTube video to start at a specific time, okay? Be it on your smartphone or even on your computer, right? So maybe on your smartphone like this, you are watching a particular music video, or you are listening to an interview, whatever the video is, a movie, whatever that the
I
video
am
is.
Invictus.
Okay.
Invictus. Et découvrez Invictus Victory
And
Absolue,
then
le nouveau parfum de Rabanne.
usually when there is a when
What's
there's
going
an
on?
ad, we usually skip the ad, all right? And then you want to share the video with somebody, so just click on share. But if you should click on share and copy the link and send to the person, when the fellow clicks on it, the fellow would have to start watching the video from the beginning. And I mean, the video can be very long. You want the person to start watching the video at a specific time, right? So I'm going to show you the trick to how to actually let the fellow start watching the video at that specific time. All right, it's very simple. And we'll start first of all with how to do this on um, your computer. And then after which I'll show you how to do it on your smartphone. But if you are doing it on your smartphone, you can just uh, move to the part of the video where I'm showing you how to do it on your smartphone so that you wouldn't waste time. Okay. So let's start first of all, like I said, with how to do it um, on your computer. All right. So on your computer, let's head on to the desktop. All right. So on your computer like this, we can open any browser of our choice. All right. So let's open maybe Firefox, and I will just go to YouTube. Okay. So it could be any video that I'm watching, music that I'm listening to, or anything at all. Okay. Then I don't know. Let me just click on this video about football.
¿no? Gana, para mí es el mejor. Ojo Alemania dentro del área, Ozil.
Albanés y que probablemente aquí actuará como lateral.
Jordan, el puntito.
Okay. Assuming that maybe I want to send the video at this point. Okay. Let's see.
En el partido frente a Portugal,
All right.
95 pases dados, tan solo 3 fallados.
Ojo, balón
I'm coming. Let me put high. Oh, that's the only quality.
dentro del área para aquí.
All right. So at this point, this person is about to score a goal. So I want um the person to watch the video at this point. All right. So I want to share the video at this exact 4 minutes 16 seconds or whatever at this timestamp. All right. So it's very simple. On your computer, you just make sure that the video is, I mean, you have played the video up to that point. You can always move this way, move to the point where the person is about to do that particular actions is about to take place, or where you really want the person to listen or watch the video at. All right. So once you are satisfied with the point, okay,
Pases dados, tan solo 3 fallados.
Ojo,
okay, maybe at this point, I'm satisfied he's about to score. It could be a music video, whatever. So I just go ahead and then I click on what? Share. And then when I click on share, I make sure that you see that it tells you the time at which you have stopped the video and you are sharing the link. So on your computer, it's actually indicated down here. For me, in this particular video, it's at 4 minutes 22 seconds. So I just click on this checkbox to select this time to tell YouTube that I'm copying the link with this timestamp. And I just copy it. And then I can send it to the person. Once this person receives the video, he clicks on the link. So I can just open a new tab just to test for you to see. If we should paste the link that I've just copied and then hit enter, if there's an ad, of course, the fellow would have to skip the ad.
ojo, balón.
You see, it takes the person straight to where
Dentro del área para Kian.
I mean, you copy the link, okay, with the timestamp. So this is how you actually do it on your computer. It's very simple, as you can see. Now let's see how we can do the same thing on your smartphone, okay? So on your smartphone, it's very, very simple, okay? I'm going to show you how we can do that on your smartphone, right? So on your smartphone, like I said, it's very simple. We just have to go to YouTube, right? Let's go to YouTube. So once you are on YouTube, assume that I am playing this particular video, okay?
YouTube, welcome.
And then I want to copy the video at maybe 4 minutes, let's say 3 minutes, 35 seconds. That's at this point that I want to really copy the video. So how do I do it? All right. You click on share. You make sure that you are at the point where you want to copy the link. You click on share. All right. When you click on share, then you go ahead and copy the link. Now, when you copy the link, you can now go and share the link. But I will show you a trick to make sure that when the fellow clicks on the link, the video would start at 3 minutes, 35 seconds. So if you just copy this link and share the link, it will not work, but there's a trick, okay? Let me do it to show it for you to see. So if I should go, assume I'm sharing, be it by SMS or WhatsApp or anything. If I should go to WhatsApp and I'm sending it to, okay? If I should go to WhatsApp and then I'm sending it to this person here, okay? So I paste the link and then I send to the person. When the fellow clicks on the link, okay, let's see what happens. Because I'm coming. Okay, when the fellow clicks on the link,
What's going on?
it's going to he will have to start at the beginning. So we don't want that. We want the person to start at the point that we want the video to actually start. So like I said, when you are on YouTube, whatever the video of your choice is, all right,
20 and
make
180.
sure that
That is how many clients I can help you get and how many days it's going to take me to do.
I've been around the.
okay, make sure that you are at the timestamp of your choice. Okay. Okay. In my case, 3 minutes, 14 seconds, for instance. You copy the link. All right. Okay. When you copy the link like this, when you are about to share, you paste the link and then you put end, the end symbol. I'm not talking of you writing end. Just put this symbol here. All right. This symbol end. You write T, small t, meaning time. You write equal to. All right. You indicate the number of minutes. So we are stopping at what? 3 minutes, 14 seconds. So we're going to write 3. All right. 3 minutes. So we write M. 14 seconds. So we write 14 and then we put S for seconds. Okay. 3 minutes, 14 seconds. That is it. So we can send the link to the person. Now, if this person should receive the link and click on it, it will take him straight to what? 3 minutes, 14 seconds, as you can see. If you want, I can even go out of YouTube. If I should click on this link, let's see. It takes him straight or her straight to the point at which we want the video to actually start. So this is how you actually send a YouTube video link, or share a YouTube video with somebody at a specific time. You want the video to actually start at a specific time, then this is how you do it, be it on your computer or on your smartphone, just as I've shown you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.